Introducing the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe, the ultimate SUV for the modern adventurer. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a spacious and luxurious interior that's perfect for long road trips or daily commutes. With seating for up to 8 passengers, everyone can ride in comfort and style. But don't let its refined interior fool you. The 2025 Tahoe is also a beast when it comes to off-roading. With available 4-wheel drive and advanced suspension technology, you can conquer any terrain with ease. The 2025 Tahoe is also packed with advanced technology features to keep you connected and safe on the road. From a touchscreen infotainment system to driver assistance systems like lane keep assist and automatic emergency braking, you'll have everything you need for a seamless driving experience. And let's not forget about the Tahoe's sleek and modern design, with bold lines and a commanding presence on the road. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the great outdoors, the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe will turn heads wherever you go. So why wait? Experience the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe for yourself and elevate your driving experience to new heights. Visit your local Chevrolet dealership today and start your adventure in style.